Meet the Geotrek Vans Premium Sprinter 170 conversion, aka the Convoy, aka the Boulder Bungalow on wheels. This rig is what happens when a tech nerd, a designer, and a wilderness survivalist all go in on a group project, and no one slacks off. Before we talk specs, smash that subscribe button like it's the gas pedal and your boss just gave you a week off. CampAvto is your home for the wildest, weirdest, and most where-do-I-sign campervan reviews on the web. Now, let's unpack this all-season beast. Based on the Mercedes Sprinter 170 wheelbase, it's got flares for width, running boards, and a rooftop setup that could rival a Mars rover. Up top, there's a Super Pacific Cloud Cap pop-top tent, 900 watts of solar, 3x300 watt panels, a Dometic cooling X2 AC unit, Starlink for internet from the actual sky, and a max air fan that doesn't sound like a jet engine at 2 a.m. Inside, the vibe is Scandinavian yoga retreat meets tactical command center. Bamboo accents, pale green cabinetry, and an open layout make it feel less like a van and more like the chillest Airbnb you've ever crashed in. 6 people can ride, and at least 4 can sleep, thanks to the rear bed and that dreamy rooftop tent with a self-inflating mattress. The kitchen has a single-burner induction stove, 800-watt microwave, 115-liter Dometic fridge, and a black sink with faucet that swivels like my friend Dave when he hears free nachos. There's a 5-gallon, 19-liter, gray water jug, or you can drain straight to nature. Respectfully, of course. Water-wise, we're talking a 24-gallon, 91-liter fresh tank, electric water heater, inline filter, and an outdoor shower so your kids can come back inside slightly less feral. Price? Well, Geotrek hasn't dropped the full conversion cost. I'd guess it starts around $50,000, 47,961 euros. Plus the Sprinter itself. I believe this van is a brilliant family escape pod with just the right mix of polish, power, and practicality. What I liked the most, that clever interior layout, like a puzzle that solves itself every time you get in. And hey, if you've made it this far, you clearly love vans or really hate doing chores. Like the video, subscribe to CampAvto, and for just $1 a month, less than a gas station hot dog, you can become a sponsor and keep the van reviews rolling. Links under the video. Make our accountant smile.